hot towel service. So after your haircut, after you get your shampoo, your haircut, a hot towel is placed around your face and hairline in order to soothe the area
it's not something anyone has in a bigger part going into free agency. But he, Turner's agent, Austin Brown, they had to figure out exactly how to find the maneuver because they didn't have any salary they didn't have the exception to no 4 miles Turner. And so once they go and reach an agreement on the deal, then it became about Damian Lillard's deal as well. But again, all that stems from the fact that Miles Turner believed he was getting the low market value offer from the Pacers going into this free agency process. He wanted to stay in Indy, but once the door was open for him, that's when Milwaukee bought the house.
All right, so that's how looking the border is all these deals and trying to figure out how's it going to look like a hardwood or come on now. So like we're going to need German or shot.
All right, look, UD, let's talk about a big man that can score, shoot the ball, and protect the paint, something you did very well in your career as well. So to start off, this is what you're getting from Miles Turner. I can talk about shooting all day long. I'm not even going to put his game in terms of his three-point shooting. He is more than that, and that's what we want to talk about. His structure here, something UD knows. He's a very good screener. What do you like about this right here, UD? I love the fact that he says, I'm sorry, he's off the ball. All the time in the beat, we like to get on the side of those things.
mud mask is removed. My skin is already feeling lighter, refreshed. Like I got a glow to it. If you work a labor-intensive job where you work with dirt or you work with trash, like MSD, any lawn care service, any trash service, any job where you out in the elements, fellas, you need to come to the shop and get the elite service or the MVP service with your haircut and your beard trim. Get you a spa facial to remove all the dirt and oils and debris from your skin, and get a 3 to 5 minute shoulder and neck massage along with the hot towel to refresh yourself. Book me online, www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you flying. So, look at my skin. Skin clear. Right after the spa facial. Clear. No bumps, no dirt. The extraction of all dirt is removed. Nice and fresh. See that? Book me online. I also take walk-ins.